Nakaka-stress naman tong araw na to. I'm supposed to be resting because it's Sunday and still I'm not really I'm not really in good condition in terms of kung ano-ano mga naiisip ko. I've been talking this person for quite some time, pero alam mo yung wala kang maaasahan or wala kang ini-expect sa kanya, and yet you're still on relying to this person na baka someday it will turn out na magkaroon ng magandang resulta, talking to this person, ganyan. Pero wala eh. I'm just wasting my time. Sabi ko, wag na lang. I'm not getting younger anymore, and I need someone na companion na po pwede kong makausap in times of yung down na down ako or burnout ako. Pero pag ganito, that I'm just wasting my time, itulog ko na lang, or after work gumawa na lang ako ng iba pang mas productive na mga bagay-bagay compared to wasting my time sa wala namang kapararakan. Ayun, I'm just sharing this because lang ako, nadi-disappoint lang ako sa mga nangyayari sa akin ngayon. I'm more optimistic in terms of career, tapos sa health, hoping that everything will be okay. Sa relationship ko, wala ako inaasahan kahit na wala talaga. So I should have stick to myself na lang, maging self-centered ako in a good way. Isipin ko na lang yung yung self-love, pero wala talaga tayong magagawa eh. We cannot rely to anyone. We can only rely onto ourselves. Yun lang, just sharing.